Hi and hello. Another walk day for Maddie. It's I don't know, 40 some degrees. A little bit of mist and raining. She's sniffing around. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. So anyways, gotta take her every day. Otherwise she starts marching at home. She'll look at me and start marching and whining a little bit. Anyways, grass looking really nice and green. And I'll keep you updated on the hand. Looks like it's healing. I'll make a video later. Take the wrap off and let y'all see what's going on. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like. If you watch, just subscribe. It's free. Help me out, help the channel out, help Maddie out. Alright, y'all. Peace.